Very good morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 9, HCF and LCM. Now LCM is going on, isn't it, children? Can anyone say which practice set is going on? Very good, practice set 25. Okay, shall I continue now? See here, children, practice set 25. First question, yes, it contains 5 sums that we solved already. So now second question, it contains 4 word problem that we will see one by one. Okay, children, see here, first I will read this sum here. Veena has some beads. Beads, that is the colorful things. With the help of the beads we can make necklace. Okay, so she wants to make necklaces with an equal number of beads in each. Okay, if she makes necklaces of 16 or 24 or 40 beads, there is no bead left over. Okay, children, understood this question? So what you have to find, what is the least number of beads with her? So least number of beads that with Veena, that we have to find. Here least number, that is the keyword. So what you have to find, children? Very good, LCM, lowest common multiple of which number we have to find? Yes, 16, 24 and 40 we have to find. So if you want to find the LCM of this number, what you have to write first? Very good, multiple of 16, multiple of 24 and multiples of 40 we have to write first. Afterwards, what we have to do? Yes, common multiple we have to list. And next one is, from the common multiple we can get LCM of this 16, 24 and 40. Okay, children, are you ready? Shall I start now? See here. Yes, the least number of beads with Veena is equal to the lowest common multiple of 16, 24 and 40. Okay, so next slide I have written the multiples of 16, 24 and 40. So multiples of 16, that is 16, 32, 48, 64. So you have to find and write. Okay, children. So I have written here up to 288. If you want, you can write more. Otherwise, you can stop up to that 288. Okay, children. Next one is what? Multiples of 24. Multiples of 24 is 24, 48, 72, 96. So up to 240 I have written here. Next one is, which number multiple we got to write? Yes, multiples of 40. Multiples of 40, 40, 80, 120, yes, 160, 200 and 240 I have written. Okay, children. So if you want more common multiple, you can write more multiples here. But already I told, if you find only one, that one common multiple, that is enough. Okay, children. So if you want to write more multiple, it will take lot of time. Yes. See here. Now we got to see these three multiples of, that means multiples of 16, multiples of 24 and multiples of 40. Now we got to find the common multiple. See here, children. So here 240 is there. Here also 240 is there. Here also 240 is there. So common multiple is what here? 240. See here, children, common multiple is what? 240. So LCM of 16, 24 and 40 is what? 240. So that least number of beads with Veena are 240. Understood? This is your answer. I hope you understood this one. Yes. Shall I go to next one, children? So children, next one is, say here, next one is, that is 2.2. Okay, 2.3. See here, children, an equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. Okay, an equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. The laddus in the first box were distributed among 20 children. Okay, first box laddus were distributed among 20 children equally. The laddus in the second box among 24 children. Okay, and those in the third box laddus also were distributed among 12 children. Okay, equally. Not a single laddu was left over. What was the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes altogether? Understood, children? See here, one more time I will read here. 3 boxes are there, that 3 boxes, that equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 boxes. Okay, so the laddus in the first box were distributed to how many children? Yes, 20 children equally. Okay, second box also, that laddus also were distributed to 24 children, and third box laddu also were distributed to 12 children equally. Okay, so not a single laddu was left over. Your question is, what was the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes altogether? So that 3 boxes, how many laddus are there, we have to find. For that we have to find the LCM of 20, 24 and 12. Okay, children, so you have to find the LCM. So what LCM will come, that number of laddus will, yes, laddus were there in that boxes. Okay, so your question is, what was the minimum number of laddus in the boxes? Yes, see here, what was the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes altogether? So that we have to add, that I will tell you. Okay, children, see here, first one is the lowest common multiple of 20, 24 and 12 gives the minimum number of laddus in one box. Okay, so for this we have to find the LCM of 20, 24 and 12. Are you ready, children? See here, the multiples of 20 I have written here. Yes, 20, 40, 60, 80. So up to 200 I have written. Next one is what? 24. 24, that is, yes, see here, children, 20 multiples of 24 is 24, 48, 72, 96 and 120. Okay. Next one is multiples of 12 also I have written here. Yes, multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36 up to 120 I have written here. Okay, children, can you say now which is the common multiple here? Yes, see these 3 multiples, children, 3 line you have to see. Yes, 120, 120, 120. So this is the common multiple, and LCM of 20, 24 and 12 also what? 120. Understood, children? Say here. Yes, common multiple is 120. Okay, so that is the L here, only one common multiple we got, isn't it, children? If you want more, you have to write more multiples of that number. So LCM of 20, 24 and 12 is what? 120. So children, can you say the minimum number of laddu in one box? Yes, 120 laddus were there. Isn't it, children? So minimum number of laddus in one boxes is equal to what? 120. Okay, children, 120. So one box, your question is what? How many laddus were there in 3 boxes altogether? So one box has 120 laddus. So 3 box we have to find. For that what we have to do? Yes, 120 into 3 or 120 plus 120 plus 120. Anyway, your answer will be same only. Isn't it, children? See here. Yes, minimum number of laddus in one boxes, that is 120. So minimum number of laddus in 3 boxes, that is 3 into 120, that is 360 laddus were there altogether. So your answer, final answer is what? The minimum number of laddus in 3 boxes are 360. Understood, children? Yes, each box contains 120 laddus. So 3 boxes together, that is 360 laddus were there. Understood? Shall I go to next one now? See here, children, 2.4. This is again word problem. Okay. We observed the traffic lights. So I hope you might have seen this traffic signal. Yes, traffic lights at 3 different squares on the same big road. Okay, so see here, the traffic lights at 3 different squares on the same big road. They turn green every 60 seconds. See here, children, they turn green, yes, every 60 seconds, and 120 seconds and 24 seconds. When the signals are switched on at 8 o'clock in the morning, yes, all the lights were green. Okay, children. So, how long after that will all three signals will green simultaneously again? Understood the question? I will explain here, children. See, so children, see here one big road is there. In that road, the different places, three the traffic light, the traffic signal is there. Okay. So see here children, they turn that first light. Just imagine that first traffic signal, that every 60 seconds it turns green. Okay. And second light, that is second traffic signal, every 120 seconds. That means every that 2 minutes it turns what, after 2 minutes it turns what, green light. Okay, green signal. So third light, third signal, every 24 seconds it turns green. Okay, so first signal every 60 seconds it turns green, and second signal every 120 seconds it turns green, and third light is, yes, every 24 seconds it turns green. When the signals are switched on at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so all the lights were green. So 8 o'clock in morning, all the lights were green. Your question is, how long after that will all three signals turn green simultaneously again? So 8 o'clock in the morning, that three lights are in that green. Okay, turns green. So how long after that will all the three signals turn green simultaneously? That we have to find. For that, we have to find the LCM of 60, 120 and 24. Okay, children, are you ready? See here. Yes, the all three signals turn green simultaneously again after the time interval, which is the LCM of 60, 160 seconds and 24 seconds. Okay, so what is the LCM? That will come, one answer will come. So that after that time, that every that three light will turns green. Okay, see here children, first that multiple of 60 we have to write, yes, multiples of 120, multiples of 24. So through that we can list that common multiple. So from the common multiple we will get what, LCM of these three numbers. Okay children, are you ready? See here, multiples of 60 I have written here. Yes, multiples of 60, 60, 120, 180 and 240. Okay, and the next one is what, multiples of 120. So 120, 240, 360. Next one is what, multiples of 24. Multiples of 24 is 24, yes, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 166, 192, 216, 240. Okay children, so now we have to see it's time to list the common multiple. See here children, yes, 120, here also 120, here also 120. Next common multiple, can you see? Yes, 240, 240 and 240. So we will write now common multiples of 60, 120 and 24, that is 120 and 240. Okay, so LCM means what? Lowest common multiple. So you have to see this number, which one is the lowest number, smallest number, 120. So 120 is the LCM of 60, 120 and 24. Okay children, so every 120 seconds this all three signals turns green light. Understood? That means every, yes, see here 2 minutes, 120 second means 2 minutes. Okay children, see that answer I have written here. Thus all the three signals turn green simultaneously again after 120 seconds. So children, first you have to write the multiples of that given number. Afterwards, list the common multiple. Finally, you have to find the lowest common multiple. Okay children, I hope you understood this sum. Yes. So children, I hope you understood today's session. Yes, you have to do practice in your home children, so that then only that factor and multiples you can find easily. Okay. So children, today practice at 25. That second question, it contains 5 word problem. Already last session we solved one. That next 3 word problem we solved today. Okay. So only one word problem is there, that I will teach you in next session. Okay children, so practice in your home children. Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.